ho, ho! Merry Christmas! I'm Santa Tim from AskTheBuilder.com, and you may wonder, how can you water a Christmas tree while you are away from your home? I'm going to show you how simple it really is. All you really need is a smartphone that can connect to the internet. You need a smart plug that also connects to the internet, a simple hand squeeze clamp, a submersible pump, and of course some flexible plastic tubing, maybe 4 or 5 feet. It also helps to have a 5-gallon bucket that will hold all the water you need to water the tree. The first step is to go ahead and download the software onto your smartphone that enables and makes these smart plugs work. Then plug it in, make sure it connects to the internet, and test it to make sure that the pump turns on and off. Okay, let me show you how it works. It's really, really simple. The first thing you need to understand is I took the plastic tubing and I made sure it went up high, maybe 12 inches above the top of the tree reservoir where the water is and the bucket. Because if you don't do that, water can siphon out of the bucket and flood your living room. Then what you want to do is make sure you clamp the plastic tubing to the tree, but not so hard that you squeeze and constrict the tubing, because you don't want the force of the water to cause the end of the tube to be flailing about and getting water every place. Make sure it aims directly down into the reservoir. It's so very important to make sure that you don't overfill the reservoir, because then you could have a flood. Maybe the best thing to do is to place your tree, as you start to erect it, into a shallow plastic pan so that if you do have a problem while you're away, it captures all the water without ruining your floor. Let me show you how it works right now. Wasn't that amazing? Look how simple it is. It's so easy to use one of these smart plugs to control the pump while you're away. You could be halfway around the world. I did it myself this past Christmas, just from 250 miles away, while we visited my daughter in Bar Harbor, Maine. And it worked perfectly. When we got home, the reservoir was exactly where I thought it would be, because I had taken the time to time it, and I knew that we just needed to give our tree about 4 seconds worth of water every 12 hours. It's that simple. Good luck. I hope you're able to water your Christmas tree while you're away. I'm Santa Tim, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.